Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install Jenkins in your local machine in the Ubuntu operating system. Let's get started. First go with the Google and type Jenkins Ubuntu installation. Here you can see the Linux, right? Just click on this link and scroll little bit. There is a prerequisite. It needs at least 256 MB RAM and 1 GB hard disk size, and it's recommended 4 GB of RAM and 50 GB of disk space. Before installing Jenkins, we have to install first Java. This is a long-term support release of the Jenkins. We will do it afterwards. First we have to install the Java Open JDK. Scroll little bit here. Installation of Java. Here you can see installation of Java. Just here copy this one and come to your terminal, just paste it and hit enter. Enter your admin password. Type y to install your Java. See, they installing Java JDK 21 JRE. Yeah, the Java is installed. Just check whether it's installed or not. You can see the command here, java -version 21.0.7. the Java JDK was installed in my Linux machine. Let's move to the installation of the Jenkins. This is the LTS. Just copy the content of the script and paste it. Just hit enter. Actually now the Jenkins is installed. Let's check it whether it is installed or not. Systemctl status Jenkins service. You can see active and running. Now we have to enable the Jenkins port to access. Just type wfw uwf allow port number 8080. This is enough. Just hit enter. Do with your sudo is added and just reload it. Reload. The firewall is reloaded now. Now come back to your browser and here type 127.0.0.1. This is your local host IP and the port is 8080 for the Jenkins. See, like this you will get a screen of Jenkins in the initial stage. Once you got, just copy this thing, and come back to your Linux. In the here just type cat space and the paste. Hit enter. it needs, you can see, just copy this hash key password and paste it here. Click on the continue. Here you have two options, install suggested plugins and the select plugins to install. Go with the default. It takes some 1 or 2 minutes to install all the plugins for the Jenkins usages for build test process. I'm going to pause the video for time being. Yeah, my plugins are installed. This is essential to create your first admin user. Enter your name, and the password. I'm just giving a minimal small password, and my full name is this one. Actually this name is this one is enough for me for the single line username. Full name is it display on the when you log on, and the email is necessary. Once all the information was filled, just click on save and continue. Here they ask for the Jenkins URL. I'm going with the default. Save and finish. Start using Jenkins. That's it. Now you can see the dashboard of the Jenkins. This is a simple video to install your Jenkins in your Ubuntu operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Once again, thanks for watching.